Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here. Today I'm going to demonstrate my iPad 2 using Siri. So I do have Siri installed, Spire, for the iPad 2, and the weather does work and all that good stuff. It is connecting to Apple. What time is it? So you can see.
The time is 9:40 a.m.
There's the clock. It's the long one, not like the previous version where the clock's real little. This does have the weather, and it does have the display for the iPad, so you get to use the whole iPad instead of just a small portion. So if you wanna get this, what you wanna do is you wanna go to Cydia real quick. I'm gonna list the servers, well, the server that I'm actually using. I'll list it in the description below. So, installed. I installed just load. I installed Spire. From iHacks repo, I installed Spire, and then after I installed Spire, I connected. I'll show you how to do that. And after I connected, I installed the Siri fix for iPad. So when you install this, it gives you all the stock apps. So this is iPad 2, iOS 5.0 and 5.1 will not work. I believe it won't work. I might be wrong, but I know the 5.0, 5.0.1 works. So let me go back. Here's what I installed: the Spire for iPad, iPad 2, iHacks repo. It says right here, it does conflict if you do have Belfry. You will have to remove Belfry, and because once you ask it for weather, it'll crash and it'll go into safe mode. So that's where the Siri fix iPad comes in. So after that you install this, and this is the fix. It has the weather, it has all the, I'll show you. This also is from the iHacks repo. It fixes the user interface iPad 2 only. So it'll install stock apps as the weather, calculator, stuff like that. So you remove Belfry if you do have it, install this, and you're good. And then what you want to do is after you have it installed, you reboot it and all that good stuff, you want to go to Siri. You want to make sure it's turned on. And then after it's turned on, I did this by these steps in these orders. So after you have it installed, you want to go to Spire, install that proxy, and those numbers right there, you want to type those numbers, just the numbers and the dots, into your Safari browser, because that's where you're going to get the certificate now. So you go into your Safari browser, and this is the one I have. See, these are the same numbers. You don't have to type the rest. You just type the numbers and it'll come up to this page. You'll get this home page, sorry. The big bad birds. This is not my server. This is a free server that's online. I found it. It does work. I have it installed. So after you come here, you have home page, about, server status. Tap on server status so you can check it out. Make sure it's up and running. It is on. There's 51 active connections, and it is happy hour. So it's been happy hour since yesterday, so that's a good thing. You do have keys down there going. So it is working. It is on. So now what you want to do is you want to go to Fly with Us. right there. Sorry, I'll show you that again. I missed it with the camera. Fly with us right there. You have homepage, about, server status, help, fly the birds, that's the donate keys, and fly with us is where you want to go. And then you have a couple other ones if you want to check them out. That's on you. I'm just trying to get you connected. Fly with us. You go with fly with us. You'll see that this server is 100% compatible with Spire GUI. So that's why I have Spire installed. People are having issues with this. That's why I'm going step by step, show everybody how to do it. This is a proxy server address. I already gave it to you. You already saw it. It's installed. Make sure you add HTTPS. Don't forget the S because it will not work. Just install it and type it in just like that, like it's in there. It'll also remind you that right here. After you do that, keep reading. You'll see it'll say you can download the certificate here. You want to do this on your device. On the device you're installing the server on. You want to do this. You want to go to the website on that device. And then you click ca.perm. You'll get another pop-up. The big bad birds, and this is a certificate. It says trusted because I already have it installed. Once you install it, it's simple. Just install it. Just accept it. Yours is going to say not trusted. Just trust it if you want it to work, and it will work. Okay, once everything's done, you try Siri. Hello, Siri.
Oh.
What time is it?
It's 9:47 a.m.
What's the weather?
See where we are. Here's the forecast for today through this Wednesday.
So it does work. And these are the widgets I'm going to show you that you'll be getting. You'll be getting, I don't think they're on this page. You'll get calculator, clock, and stock, and the weather. You'll get that when you do that one hack I showed you from the iHacks repo. This is the fix. When you install this fix, you'll get those stock widgets, and your weather will work, and it won't crash anymore like it used to. If you had Siri previously installed, you X the weather, it would crash, and then you would go into safe mode. Well, that no longer happens. Let me know what you think about this video. Comment below if you do have any issues. I forgot to mention, if you do try it and it does not work, what you want to do is you want to go into iFile and you just want to delete the Apple Assistant. I'll go there. I'll show you how to do that real quick. This is just in case it doesn't work. What you want to do is you want to go into, I think it's library. VAR. Mobile. Library. And preferences. Preferences. And then you look for Apple Assistant plist, which is right here. This is if it doesn't work. What you do is you want to swipe and you'll get the delete, and you just delete. Try Siri out again, and it should work the second time around. If you do it the first time and it's not working, come here, delete apple.com assistant, com.apple assistant plist. Delete that, and you don't have to respring. Just try out Siri. If you have an issue, comment below. Here it is. This is the how you want to do to get here. You want to go to var, mobile, library, preferences, scroll down, Apple assist, com.apple.assistant plist. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like I said before, comment below if you have any comments. Give me a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe. Peace.